Hey everyone, Tom is coming to you from mgmclassiccars.com. From time to time, or should I say every third, fourth day, people ask, hey, how can I buy an affordable Chevelle for under $35,000? Well, this is it. Here's a 1971 Chevelle. It's got a 350 small block on it, upgraded with headers, 4-barrel carburetor. As you can see, the aluminum intake, Holley setup, electric choke, easy start car, aluminum radiator, upgraded interstate battery. This is a factory air conditioned car, but it's not hooked up, so you will need a compressor to finish that off. Factory A-arms, as you can see down there. It does have power brakes and power steering. I will start the car in a little bit here. It's got a great look to it. Yes, the paint's not perfect. I'll show you some imperfections. I do have the trim around the front window and the rear window in the trunk that I will show you. As you can see, it's sitting on aluminum racing wheels, dual sport mirrors, I believe. Let me check that. Actually, a single sport mirror on the side there. Black interior, column shift car, turbo 350 with a 350 V8 engine. Trunk appears to be solid. Those are the trim pieces for the windows, front and rear. Upper quarters are original factory GM stampings right there. You can't duplicate those, but it does have quarters done on this side from this point down. They did a pretty nice job and followed the body line. On this side, again, same factory GM stampings on the quarters. This is a factory rear quarter panel on this car. Dual exhaust sounds real good. Chrome is decent on the car. Interior is pretty good. It's got a split bench seat in it. The back seat will need some work, as you can see there. I can have that recovered for $300. Keep that in mind. Nice dash pad, nice cluster. As you can see, factory radio with the triple gauge package there, and it does have the split bench, okay? As you can see, nice door panels. They are new. Engine compartment, as you can see, you saw that in the video, and you can check out more photos. Easy start. My guys have tuned this car. Just reach in. Listen how nice it sounds. Snap, crackle, pop, guys. We can have that fixed too for about $400. Killer hot rod for under 35 grand. Guys, gals, check us out at mgmclassiccars.com where you can see all the photos. I'm glad you spent a few minutes with me on the video of this 71 Chevelle. Sounds like a big block. Nice motor, like I said, headers, 4-barrel carb, TH automatic 350 trans. Super slick. It's got a great look to it. Great price for this car. Take advantage. If you need financing, go to mgmclassiccars.com, fill out the application. And if you need delivery, you can call me, text me. My number is, have a pen ready, 847-848-1850. Thanks for watching the home of 150 classic cars that we own right here in our dealership in Addison, Illinois. Check us out. Thanks for watching.